It's 6:46 in the morning. Today is like kind of all over the place. I'm just gonna get started. Okay, the kitchen is clean. Okay, bedroom done. So now, oh my God. All the other rooms were nice and easy, but that's only because everything is in here. So, okay, let's get started. This room is finally clean. Clothes are filled up, no more space for anything else. And I can see my sink once again. So now, all that's left is the bathroom, which I don't really have to pick up anything. I'm just gonna pretty much clean the sink and that type of stuff. So everything is cleaned and it's 9:05. I have a client at 10. After my client, I have a lot that I want to do. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it all, but I want to make some phone cases, and after that I want to take my Mac to get fixed. And I felt like I had a lot more stuff, but I guess that's all. He bit it on right there. It's broken. Wait, is the outlet on?
No.
Okay, now it should be charging.
It's on. I don't think the camera's getting that.
Yeah.
Look, it's on. It turned on.
So we called. Okay, well, I finished my client, by the way, around 11 something, closer to 12. And then my boyfriend got home and we tried opening the Mac, as you saw. And so now that we know that it's just a screen, we called this place to get a quote. And you know, I'm thinking in my head, I was like, okay, I'm expecting to pay like 200, maybe a little over 200. We call the place and then they're like, yeah, it's gonna be $450 plus tax. So I asked my boyfriend if he could just do it for me, but obviously that's not gonna get done today because we don't even have the supplies and blah blah blah. Now we're just gonna eat lunch, and then afterwards I'm going to try and make some of the phone cases that I have to make. I was here thinking that I have this whole day planned, but I'm down to just one more thing, and it's only 2. So what's up, guys?
No, I think it was more like, you know, I liked him, but I don't anymore because he did a bad job, so I'm definitely going to yell at him.
Robert doesn't talk like that. You have to stop Dwight from...
Okay, it's time to make phone cases. I have 4 orders. 2 of them are Sanrio themed, and then 2 other ones are like gold themed. I need to pick out the charms that I want to use. Let me just turn this on. We're just gonna stay like that. We're gonna turn this into just charms everywhere. So I'm gonna take all of this to my desk so we can start working. Okay, so here are all of the charms that I think can go with what I'm doing. I don't know if I'm gonna use all of them because that's a lot. I'm gonna kind of do both of them at the same time so that I make sure I have enough stuff for everything. I have all these charms have Kuromi, and this bag has my melody, but I didn't realize, I don't know if it's that I didn't realize or it was false advertisement, but they're actually croc charms. So I'm just cutting I'm trying to cut this off. I already did it to one of them so that I can use it for the phone case. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Obviously you have to glue it and stuff, but I feel like this is a pretty good layout, so I'm gonna take a picture so that I can remember, and then I'm gonna glue it. I don't know how fast this glue dries. I've never used it before.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna start. This stuff smells terrible. I don't know what to do. Okay, I have to just relax and follow the instructions. I mean, my picture. Okay, my camera cut off because I had low battery, but I finished gluing all of the charms, and this is how it looks. I'm gonna put a clear a clear layer over this to secure the charms, but it's pretty much done. It's so pretty. And I have to do this one. Okay, I finished the other one. It's still a little wet, so I don't want to hold it for too long, but it's so cute. I don't know which one is my favorite, but it's really pretty. I still need to put the clear coat on top of this one as well, but I'm waiting for the glue to dry first, and then I'll do that. So yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Those are the only cases that I'm gonna do today because I'm still waiting on some stuff for the other ones. So it's 5 o'clock and I don't plan on doing anything else today, besides like dinner later or something, but
Coming to your right.
anyways, so
One more behind you, Yassi. Close the door, close the door, close the door, run to the door, run to the door. You got him, Yassi?
okay, so I'm gonna finish the video now. Thanks for watching.
You go to the front?